In this section, we are going to configure the RouteConfig of the AppComponent so we can start navigating through different components. So let's start coding this. As you remember, the RouteConfig, it's another decorator from the router library, and we should specify an array with all routes that our application is going to handle. So it should look something like this. We have to specify the path. Okay, so we have our index or main route, and it's going to be pointing, the name is home. This is the alias that we will give to the router. Okay, component, we need a component that holds this route, and in our case it's going to be the welcome component, and we specify that we want to use this as default. Okay, I have a mistake here. Let's check what is the problem. This is an array, and we have an extra, Okay, so this is our first route that is pointing to the welcome component. I'm going to copy and paste the other ones and explain them, so we don't have to wait until I write all of them. Remember, this is a full production application, so it should take time. When I built this application from scratch, it took me about 2 days to analyze and write the full code. So the routes that our application will handle will be the home, pointing to the welcome component. We have a route with the albums, pointing to the album component, album, login, and registration. So the app component will be in charge of routing all this. Then in the template folder, we should have something like this. We have the header component. So it's nice that right now we can start using the selectors from our component. This selector comes from the header component, that is this one. So with this, we're specifying that the first thing that the Angular the app component should render should be the header component. Then we will have a container area. Okay. This class comes from Bootstrap, and it will center the information that put inside the div. And here we will define our router outlet. So this is where we want to place all the information from every component when we are navigating from one page to the other one. So if we click in the welcome page, here we will put the welcome page. If we go to the login page, the login page will be rendered here. And finally, we will have the footer component at the bottom. Okay. So with this, we have our app component fully configured to start working. So let's continue with the next component in the next video.